What's up, world? I'm Thomas Reed, and welcome to Budgeting.
Bienvenido a Cuba. Tomás, vamos.
Budgeting is not your typical travel show.
¿Usted qué nacionalidad?
Oh, negro, United States. Budgeting versus the world. Soccer. It gives you a whole new meaning of traveling on a budget by providing a closer and more intimate look at the local communities around the world with the heartfelt approach of giving back. I believe you never truly travel until you immerse yourself into the culture of the people. I always wanted to travel the world, but I thought it was too expensive. Then it hit me. I'm from New York City, one of the most expensive cities in the world. I figured if I could survive being broke here, I could do it anywhere. Where you at right now? Okay. It's hot up here.
How long did it take?
Oh man, it only took, I'm in shape. Might have took the wrong way.
Do you have a phone? You want to take a picture of the map?
Huh?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
The map was upside down.
Yeah.
Please remain seated with your...
Tendremos que coger el carro.
So this is the raw tobacco.
Yeah.
Man, you can smell it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
How does it taste?
Sweet.
It's a sweet one?
Yeah. It's Cubans. All right.
Starving, we on this tour. We gotta get something to eat. We just snuck in anywhere. Got a ham and cheese sandwich. Oh, that's the good cheese. Yeah. Yeah, get some of these salmonella sandwiches. Yeah. Can't go wrong. Got a 50-cent sandwich.
I'm gonna teach you how to travel on a budget to connect with the rest of the world.
Gracias.